Hi, it's latest update. We've had some good weather here in England for the last couple of weeks, so I thought I'd get on and do the spray painting, get it in the garden to get the sun on it and to harden off the paint. So here's a video of all the parts now sprayed. So we've got the spider, and there we have the rear section or rear clam. And then we have the front clam, fuel filler caps, rear cover for the exhaust system, two side skirts, left hand door, and right hand door. As a first effort at spraying, it's not too bad. Close examination shows odd run-in places and pinholes, but I'm happy with it. So next job now is to get on with the chassis, wiring up the dash panel, getting the engine running, fitting carpets to the inside. Oh, it's endless. But at least I've now done the bodywork and I can put that away until I come for the final fitting. So that's the latest update. Right, so that's now put the soundproofing deadening material Dynamat over all the aluminium panels on the inside. I've also made up a fiberglass cover, which you can see there, to cover up the pipework and cables on the driver's side. And then over on the passenger side, I've just this minute finished fiberglassing up this one using some packing tape as a release medium. So when that's all done, I can then carpet those. Started to carpet the rear, as you can see there. It's coming along. Thanks for watching.